Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you the newly improved lithium battery-powered weed cutter. This model is powerful, user-friendly, and perfect for tackling tough jobs. Let me walk you through the setup and show you how it works. Setting this up is super easy. We're using 2 strings for cutting, which attach quickly. Just a few simple steps, and you're good to go. To start the machine, simply press and hold the power button. It has 3 speed levels: low, medium, and high, so you can adjust it depending on the type of grass or weeds. With a dual trigger control, the grip is comfortable and incredibly durable. This model is built to last. And that's it. This lithium-powered weed cutter is all set and ready for any job. If you enjoyed this quick setup guide and want to see it in action, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more lawn care tips and product demos. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full performance test. Thanks for watching.